Your AC system isn't just blowing cold air. It's literally moving heat out of your house using physics, pressure, and refrigerant flow. And the second airflow or refrigerant gets restricted, everything starts going downhill. So here's how a residential central air HVAC refrigeration cycle actually works. Your indoor evaporator coil absorbs heat from inside the home. Warm air from the house passes over that cold coil, and the refrigerant inside absorbs the heat like a sponge. The refrigerant leaves the evaporator as a low-pressure vapor, then travels to the compressor outside. The compressor is basically the heart of the system. It takes that low-pressure vapor and compresses it into a high-pressure, high-temperature vapor. Then that superheated refrigerant moves through the condenser coil outside. The condenser fan pulls outdoor air across the coil to remove the heat from the refrigerant. That's why your outdoor unit blows hot air. It's dumping the heat your house no longer wants. As the refrigerant cools down, it changes from a hot vapor into a high-pressure liquid. Next, it passes through a metering device, like a TXV or piston, where the pressure suddenly drops. And when pressure drops, temperature drops. Now the refrigerant becomes an ice-cold, low-pressure mixture that heads back into the evaporator coil, ready to absorb more heat. And that cycle repeats over and over and over. But here's where homeowners destroy efficiency without realizing it. Any restriction in this cycle can cause major problems. A dirty air filter restricts airflow. A clogged evaporator coil traps heat. A dirty condenser coil can't reject heat outside. A restriction in the refrigerant line can choke the entire system. And when that happens, higher pressures, lower efficiency, frozen coils, overheated compressors, higher electric bills, and eventually, expensive breakdowns. That's why maintenance matters. Your HVAC system needs proper airflow, proper refrigerant flow, and clean heat transfer surfaces to survive. Take care of the airflow, and the system takes care of you. Steezy Airflow, making HVAC make sense.